promise you will look at additive manufacturing differently at the end of this video. I've spent most of my career advocating the benefits and for the adoption of additive manufacturing or 3D printing. You could argue I am a little bit biased. So with all the hype around additive manufacturing, past or present, is it now really replacing traditional manufacturing methods like CNC machining? I am continuously speaking to European manufacturers who are faced with that very same question. In which manufacturing technologies should they invest in the future? At MakerVerse, we believe in a coexistence of multiple manufacturing technologies at the same time. The key actually is in leveraging the strength of both additive manufacturing and CNC machining. 3D printing clearly excels in creating very complex geometries that you couldn't produce with conventional methods and in fastly getting first prototypes. CNC machining remains the workhorse for high volume production batches and very intricate, detailed features in high precision. Collaboration actually can help us to push the boundaries. The new additive manufacturing companies bring fresh ideas and agile ways of working and questioning existing beliefs. Traditional manufacturers can rely on a lot of expertise, experience, and reliability when it comes to serial production. AM can clearly get you out of the gates very fast, while CNC machining is there for the long run. Specifically in fast-paced product development cycles, additive manufacturing can get you first prototypes for testing and validation very, very quickly and fastly. However, when it comes to serial production, CNC machining still offers cost advantages and reliability in scaling up volumes. AM and CNC machining are clearly allies. European manufacturers should embrace both technologies in order to build a thriving, highly competitive, future-oriented European manufacturing industry.